What's up, y'all? Hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for checking out the video. So today, guys, I want to talk about something really quickly, something that affects anytime we're planting new grass, and it's the sprout and pout phase of growing grass. Now, this happens a lot with cool season grasses, Kentucky bluegrass, fescue. Basically what happens is the grass comes up really quickly in 4 or 5 days. We get all excited and then nothing happens. Well, at least it appears that nothing is happening. And so I just kind of want to spend a few minutes just kind of talking you through this and helping you understand maybe what's going on or why this is happening or what you need to do about it, and maybe calm some of your maybe your concerns a little bit. So we are on about week 4 since this grass was planted. It came up really fast, came up in 4 or 5 days. Everything was going great and everything was doing well. But here is what's going on. The closer we get to the grass, it has quit growing. It's gotten to about 1.5 inches tall, and it just looks kind of, I don't know, sickly, I guess is kind of the word I would use. It just doesn't look great. And there's a couple reasons that this is happening. Number one is the weather just hasn't been conducive. It's been in the 90s. It's been really dry. I've been watering like crazy. And the grass, just doesn't like that. So that's kind of part of what's going on. But that's not the sprout and pout phase. What's happening to this grass right now is that it's putting all of its energy into root development. So think about it. The plant just emerged from a seed. It's tacked down into the ground, and now it knows it's got to get up and it's got to get roots, because if this plant wants to survive, the root structure is the most important piece of the puzzle. Because if it doesn't have a strong root system, the grass is not going to survive. Now it's got a leaf, right? It's got a leaf coming up, which is what it used to produce photosynthesis. Remember back to like 5th grade science? Photosynthesis is how the plant produces its own food source, right? Through chlorophyll and photosynthesis. But it needs the root structure to be able to retain water. So right now, that plant is putting all of its energy into root growth, which we can't see that. We can't see what it's doing. It's not growing up, and so that's kind of where we get a little bit concerned. The other thing that the plant is doing is once it starts establishing a good root structure, it starts what's called tillering out. So grass plants are monocots, meaning they start out as a single leaf, and then as they grow, they tiller out. They get multiple leaves off of one plant, right? Monocot. And so what's happening here is that one plant is turning into several leaves. See how this blade is kind of fattening out and branching out? Hopefully you guys can see that. And that is exactly what's happening. It's not growing up, it's starting to widen out, it's starting to fatten out, it's starting to get a good root structure, it's tacked down into the ground really well, and it's just not growing up. And that is perfectly normal. And this is what we call the sprout and pout phase. So the question becomes, well, what do we do about it? And the answer is really simple: nothing. We don't do anything about it. We're going to keep watering, keeping the ground soft. We're reducing the frequency that we're watering, but we're increasing the duration of the water. Again, root development. That is what this plant is trying to do. So I'm trying to water a little bit deeper now, and not quite as frequently, but deeper. And then also I just fed it. I'm giving it some nutrition, because in a grass plant, the seed contains all the nutrition it needs to get up and going. Once the plant emerges from the ground, it now needs some supplemental nutrition. And that's really why we feed the lawn to begin with. So we add a little bit of food. This plant will start growing up and growing tall. And then as we continue to water, and then once we start mowing it, it will continue to develop and thicken and widen out even more than it already is. So nothing really to do. There's nothing that we need to do here. Just continue to water like normal. We're going to start mowing it. We'll keep, we'll feeding it every, 6 to 8 weeks, and this thing will do great. But it's doing exactly what we want. But this is what we call the sprout and pout phase. Hope you guys have a great day. Hope the video helps you. Peace.